How to fix your Pandora login error. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. So the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and try restarting your router. If that is not the case, you want to double check that you're entering the correct email and password, as passwords are generally case sensitive. If you forgot your password, simply click on forgot password and then simply go ahead and enter your email where they're going to be sending you the reset link. If your application is not up to date, go to your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and search for Pandora and click on the update button. If you're on an Android device, you want to simply go to your settings, apps, Pandora, and then simply go ahead and clear cache. If your application is still having login errors, then you want to try restarting your phone to refresh the system. If none of it works, simply try uninstalling and reinstalling Pandora. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.